Hey everyone! Today, we're taking you into the future of modern warfare, a machine that's not just a tank, it's a technological beast. This is a futuristic next-generation main battle tank, and it looks like it just rolled out of a science fiction movie. Let's break down everything, from design to tech, firepower to features in full detail. Let's go! Exterior, front, side, and rear view. From the front, this tank looks intimidating and sleek. Angular turret design, LED headlamps, high-tech sensors, and a radar-absorbing hull shape. It's built low and wide for stealth, aerodynamics, and maximum battlefield visibility. On the side, you'll notice a robust track system with 7 larger road wheels, reinforced armored skirts, and modular armor plates. This beast can handle sand, snow, mud, and a mountain terrain without breaking a sweat. From the rear, things get even more futuristic. Twin exhaust ports, a set of bright LED taillights, a drone command hatch, and additional ammo storage. There are also rear defensive guns and automated countermeasure launchers, in case of a surprise attack from behind. Interior and dashboard view. Now, let's step inside. The cockpit is nothing short of a spaceship. Fully digital common interface, holographic HUD, multiple touchscreen panels, and ergonomic combat seats. There are separate stations for the driver, commander, and a gunner, each with their own assisted displays and controls. Surround view cameras, motion sensors, battlefield data overlays, everything is controlled with precision. It's designed for efficiency, comfort, and total battlefield control, even during chaos. Performance and technology. This tank runs on a hybrid turbo-diesel-electric engine, combining raw power and silent stealth mode when needed. It goes from 0 to 60 km/h in just 6 seconds, which is insane for a half-ton armored vehicle. Its 125 mm auto-loading cannon can fire every 6 seconds with high accuracy. Other features include drone control terminal, anti-drone jamming system, laser defense turret, important circuits, smart reactive armor. It's not just a tank, it's a mobile war fortress. Estimated price and availability. Now the big question, can you buy it? Nope. This is a classified prototype, built for elite military units. However, reports suggest the unit cost could be anywhere between 125 million depending on its final configuration. That's a heavy price tag, but for the level of tech and protection it provides, it just might be worth it. Final thoughts. This tank redefines modern warfare. It's not just about brute force anymore, it's about precision, protection, and intelligence on the battlefield. So what do you think? Will this tank dominate the wars of tomorrow? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time. Stay strong.